Why do thousands of companies trust AI to make their videos? It's faster, cheaper, and more scalable than ever. Here's how Synthesia is leading the pack. Synthesia is a platform where you turn plain text into engaging videos, no camera needed. Just type your script, choose an AI avatar, and let the software do the rest. It's perfect for training, marketing, onboarding, and even classroom lessons. Let's break down the features. You get realistic AI avatars that look and sound natural, voice cloning to match your brand, and support for over 120 languages. Upload your own logos and templates for a consistent look. Plus, teams can collaborate in real time, all from one dashboard. Who's using Synthesia? HR teams make onboarding quick and easy. Trainers deliver clear compliance videos. Teachers explain complex ideas simply. Marketers demo products with ease. So what are the benefits? Lightning-fast video turnaround. Multilingual reach at the click of a button. And absolutely no need for filming, editing, or hiring actors, but there are limits. AI avatars, while impressive, still can't match full human emotion. And you'll need a paid plan for the highest quality exports. Ready to level up your video content? Join thousands of creators using Synthesia to work smarter, not harder. Try it today.